Okay, after you have refilled the cartridge, you can put it all back together and it should be able to go in easily and lock. Okay, that's in. To take it out, it's the same thing. You press it down and you take it out. Sometimes the head may get stuck in there because if you cut away the catches, it stays in there. But what you can do is just use a pair of pliers, grab it and press the catch below to release it. And it will come out. Okay, or you can just install the cartridge without the back. Okay, if you don't want the back, you can just put it in like this, push it all the way in and it will stay in. If you want to take it out, you will have to use a small screwdriver and just lift the catch in there and everything should come out. It's as simple as that.